In this video, we break down the API 579.1 Part 3, Brittle Fracture, Assessment Limitations, and Data Requirements.
See some of the limitation of this procedure 579-1. So like we discussed earlier, this procedure is based on carbon and low-alloy steel, and it is following Section 8 Division 1. So if there is any other material, okay, for which there are no curves, you cannot apply this. Okay, at least level 1 and level 2 you cannot apply. You may have to use level 3 to assess that. So it is limited to carbon and low-alloy steel if you talk about level 1 and level 2 assessment. Okay. Pressure vessel as per Section 8 Division 1 or 2 if it is there. So you can apply that. Okay, if it is outside that, then it is not applicable. Okay, so you have to find the code and follow that procedure. 579 is following directly the ASME procedure. Okay, if you have done the calculation earlier, you'll find it exactly same. Okay, definitely MAT should be lesser than critical exposure temperature. And that is the basic rule. The material minimum allowable temperature of the material should be lower than critical exposure temperature. Piping system should be as per B31.3 and 31.1. Tanks as per 650 or 620. So it's limited to these codes. So very specific to codes. Okay. Component subjected to metal loss, we can apply, but then apart from that, you have to also see part 4 or part 5. Now, degradation of material is not covered. Okay, you're not assessing that how much material has degraded. That technology is not available, and we are not using to calculate that. Okay, anything related to degradation of material, because definitely material degrade while service, but we are not taking that into account. Okay. Now, data requirement, if we have to perform brittle assessment, what are the data which will be required? Original equipment design data. We need maintenance and operational history. Data which has been measured during FFS. And the recommendation for inspection technique and sizing requirement.